I'm Principal Sheep. Welcome back to our classroom. Today, we'll be learning about stopping distance. The stopping distance is the thinking distance added with the braking distance. I'll tell you more about those two in a bit. I'll only be teaching you about the factors that affect these and what these thinking and braking distances mean. Thinking distance is the distance the car travels in the time it takes for the driver to notice the obstruction and apply the brakes. This is affected by two main things. How fast you're going. The faster you go, the further you go. Simple math. Your reaction speed. This is affected by things like tiredness, old age, and stuff that might be in your system. Braking distance is the distance the car travels during its deceleration whilst the brakes are being applied. This is affected by four main things. How fast you're going. The faster you're going, the further it takes for you to stop. The mass of the vehicle. The larger the mass of the vehicle, the longer it takes to stop. Thirdly, brakes quality. Faulty brakes will not help you stop at all, especially during emergencies. The grip. This depends on the road, weather, and tires. And that is it for today's video. If you learned something new, please like and subscribe. 3, 2, 1.